In this video, we'll show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Honda Pilot. They're located on the front of the vehicle on the windshield. Let's get started. We're going to open the small clip on the back of the wiper blade. You can use a flathead screwdriver for this. We'll slide the wiper blade down, being cautious not to damage the windshield. Before we install our new wiper blade, make sure to remove the sheath. To install our new wiper blade, simply slide it on. Make sure it clicks into the hook. It's not going to come off. Be careful when you're putting down your wiper blade not to damage anything. And we can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.